Hey, what's up everybody, this is Tacos and welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be discussing about the all-new Samsung's flagship, the S22 Ultra. If you are interested in this kind of content, so please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, let's talk about its body and design. The dimensions of this phone are 6.43 inches by 3.07 inches. However, the weight is 228 grams, a little lighter than the iPhone 13 Pro Max, which is 240 grams. The build quality is best so far, with the Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on the front and same at the back, including the aluminum frame. The design of this phone is pretty decent and very unique as compared to the S series phones. This time we get spiky corners instead of round corners. Other than that, the camera bump is removed, adding to the elegance of the design. Secondly, it comes with an S Pen. That is the first time we see in an S series phone. And it is the first Samsung phone to support 2.8 mm latency while using the S Pen. And this is a very major and very big update plus improvement for Samsung as compared to the S Pen that was available in Note 20 Ultra with the latency of 9 ms. Talking about the display, Samsung has used their dynamic AMOLED display in the S22 Ultra, which supports 1 Hz to all the way to 120 Hz. The S22 Ultra automatically identifies on how much hertz to keep the phone on. Like if you are doing nothing on the phone, it can automatically be on 1 Hz, or if you are doing something complex like shooting a video or playing a game, it can go all the way up to 120 Hz. The display size of the screen is 6.8 inches. And the most interesting fact about the display is that it can go all the way to 1750 nits of brightness, which is just amazing and a lot better than the S21 Ultra and iPhone 13 Pro Max. The phone is literally 100% visible to you even in direct sunlight. The S22 Ultra supports the latest Android version, which is Android 12 with the One UI 4.1. which gives you the potential to even customize your phone more efficiently. Some new theme features have also been added, and the best thing about this phone software is that the S22 Ultra supports 5 years of updates, which means that your all new Galaxy can be up to date till Android 6. How amazing is that? Moving on, processor is the main thing in a phone or in any of the computers or anything or laptop. The Galaxy S22 Ultra has the most powerful chipset we have seen so far in the Android phones till now. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, which is available all across the world including Pakistan. As for the Europe is the Exynos 2200. The powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 not only increases the performance of the new phone but will even provide you with the best gaming experience available out here. So this is the very good news that finally Snapdragon variants are finally available in Pakistan too. As far memory is concerned, the S22 Ultra fulfills all the requirements of its user. There are 4 variants of this phone. Number 1, 8GB with 128GB model. Second one, the 12GB with 256GB model. The third one, 12GB with 512GB model. And finally, the last one, 12GB with 1TB model. However, there is no memory card slot available on this phone. But I don't even think so that anyone would need an SD card with too much of the storage. Like, why would you need an SD card even if you have 1 TB of storage? Finally, coming to the main topic that Samsung competes every phone with. Of course, the camera. The S22 Ultra comes with the better 108 megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization and laser autofocus. The second camera is the 10 megapixel periscope telephoto camera with 10x optical zoom. The third camera is the normal telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and the fourth and the final one is the ultra wide angle camera, which is 12 megapixels. Talking about the video, this phone can record in 8K at 24 fps, 4K at 60 fps and 1080p at 240 fps with the support of HDR10+. The front camera is in a tiny punch hole and is 40 megapixels. Finally, the battery. I literally can't believe it that this still kept 5000 mAh battery even with the stylus. How amazing. The S22 Ultra supports fast charging at 45 watts, fast wireless charging at 15 watts and reverse wireless charging at 4.5 watts. Samsung S22 Ultra fulfill all the requirements of its users and is a value for money phone buying in 2022. So that was the whole review of Galaxy S22 Ultra. The pre-orders of S22 Ultra has started, and make sure to pre-order it if you really want to buy one, as it includes exclusive gifts such as the Galaxy Buds and Samsung Care Plus etc. So that's it from the video. Comment your thoughts below. Peace out.